This monster equals just 125. But how? Let me show you step by step. Here's another challenge for you. Take a look at this expression. Square roots, mixed numbers, and nested operations everywhere. But as you just saw, this simplifies to a beautiful integer. Here's our strategy. We'll break this monster into 3 parts. Pause the video and try it yourself. Alright, ready? Let's solve it together. Step 1. Let's simplify the square root in the numerator. We need to find the square root of 561 squared minus 459 squared. Here's the key trick. Whenever you see a squared minus b squared, use the difference of squares formula. It turns a huge subtraction into a simple multiplication. Here is 561 and b is 459. So we calculate the sum and the difference. 561 plus 459 equals 1020. And 561 minus 459 equals 102. 1020 times 102. Let's compute that. That gives us 104,040. Now we take the square root. The trick is to factor out a 10, because our final answer will involve root 10. 104,040 divided by 10 equals 10,404. Is that a perfect square? Let's check. 102 squared is 10,404. Yes. So the square root simplifies to 102 times root 10. Step 2. Now let's simplify the denominator of that big fraction. We have 4 and 2/7 times 0.15 plus 4 and 2/7 divided by 20/3. First, convert the mixed number. 4 and 2/7 means 4 times 7 plus 2, all over 7. That's 30 over 7. Now convert 0.15 to a fraction. 1500 simplifies to 3/20. Let's compute the first term. 37 times 3/20. Multiply straight across. 90 over 140, which simplifies to 9/14. Now the second term. 37 divided by 20/3. Remember, dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. So we flip 20/3 to 3/20 and multiply. 37 times 3/20 equals 90 over 140, which is also 9/14. Look at that. Both terms give us 9/14. Now we add them. 9/14 plus 9/14 equals 18/14, which simplifies to 9/7. Step 3. Now we divide the numerator by the denominator of the big fraction. We have 102 root 10 divided by 9/7. Dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. So we flip 9/7 to 7/9. 102 root 10 times 7/9. Let's multiply. 102 times 7 equals 714. Can we simplify 714 over 9? Both 714 and 9 are divisible by 3. 714 divided by 3 is 238. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Step 4. We need to add 4 root 10 to our result. We have 238 root 10 over 3 plus 4 root 10. To add fractions, we need a common denominator. 4 root 10 is the same as 12 root 10 over 3, because 4 times 3 is 12. Now we add. Same denominator, so we add the numerators. 238 plus 12 equals 250. Great. The entire expression inside the parentheses equals 250 root 10 over 3. Step 5. Before the final division, let's simplify the divisor on the right side. We need to simplify 1/3 times the square root of 40. The trick is to simplify root 40. 40 equals 4 times 10. 4 is a perfect square. So 1/3 times 2 root 10 equals 2 root 10 over 3. Step 6. The grand finale. Let's divide the two expressions. We have 250 root 10 over 3 divided by 2 root 10 over 3. Dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. We flip 2 root 10 over 3. Now look at this carefully. The 3's cancel out because 3 divided by 3 is 1. And the root 10's cancel out because root 10 divided by root 10 is also 1. We're left with 250 divided by 2. And that equals 125. And there we have it. Our entire complex expression simplifies to just 125. Notice how all the root 10's canceled perfectly and every fraction simplified cleanly. That's the beauty of a well-designed problem. Quick recap of our 6 steps. Difference of squares, mixed number conversions, reciprocal multiplication, common denominators, simplifying roots, and cancellation, all leading to 125. Ready for the next challenge? Here's another one. This time you need to find x. Try it yourself. Watch the next video for the complete solution. Thanks for watching.